Times. There were no good times! You cost us our prime new partner, a new space command center, all gone because cool guy here, Mr. Sexy Pants, Brian Gilchrist, blew the mission. You were going to wear this like Flavor Flav wears a clock. You can't let one small meltdown destroy it. A second chance. Who doesn't want a second? You want? How is Woody?
I don't know. Woody doesn't communicate. He doesn't speak.
He said a lot, actually.
What did he say?
Check out my manliness, dude. I've been working out, and I'm a little too handsome to ever see you as a threat, Brian. Good evening.
And he said all that.
I'm actually very talkative.
I think that you came back here for a reason. Let's just talk about it before I explode. About tonight, sir. I had fun.
In any of its many forms, I have found that nothing beats fun. You're The future isn't just something that happens. It's a brutal force with a great sense of humor that'll steamroll you if you're not watching.